Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. Friends, as you see that I am holding a box which reads as OraCura Advanced Oral Health Solutions. So what is this Advanced Health Solutions? And I have ordered this package. Let's see what is there inside. Okay, so this is something really exciting and a cool thing that I'm going to show you. I was waiting for this product to come home. It's a long time. So this is my OraCura Smart Water Flosser. So what exactly is this water flosser? As I have been always telling you friends that you have to floss your teeth to remove the in-between particles with a floss or a flosser. This is for all the people who want to move faster ahead in life, have some professional work to do and don't really have time to floss in between. Also, this is the best product for the people who have sensitive gums and they are not used to flossing, and as flossing causes bleeding, this does not cause bleeding in your gums. So here I am going to open this. Okay, let me just first read what is written on it. It is OraCura Water Flosser. And it is with the tagline that go beyond brushing teeth. It has advanced teeth protection, improves oral health and superior intradental cleaning. Intradental cleaning, it means that in between your teeth, it does clean all the plaque, bacteria, the biofilms. Okay, I'm super excited to open it up. And okay. Ta-da! Okay, so now I have removed all things to show you all. So this is basically the base part of the water flosser, which has a refilling container here in which you can fill up water, and you can also add some mouthwash to have a better cleaning. Then there is this on-off switch obviously, and then there are modes. Now it reads that it has 3 operational modes. First is normal mode, which is used for cleaning the biofilm, the plaque which is stuck in between the teeth, and it gives normal pressure. The second is soft one, which might just be used for the people who have periodontal diseases or gum diseases, and the people who have bleeding gums issue or sensitive teeth. They can use the soft mode. And then you have this pulse mode, which I am very much wanting to use because it is saying that it gives a soft gentle massage also to your gums. So yeah, here it goes. Then it is coming up with a charging cord. They are providing with 2 nozzles, and also if there are more people at place, or if by any chance you have damage to the nozzle, then they do just provide with nozzles also. Also, they say that they provide with a special orthodontic nozzle. These are the standard nozzles, I suppose, and this orthodontic nozzles are used for cleaning of braces. So yes, if you are having braces also, then also a water flosser can be used. Then they have a special tongue scraper kind of nozzle, which has a tongue scraper to it. You can clean your tongue. Cleaning of tongue is very much important because it prevents you from bad breath. Then they have a pocket tip, which is like a very thin nozzle it has, and it is used for cleaning again the in-between cavities. Then again the water tank, and yes, they also to provide with a protective case, so if you are traveling and want to carry this, you can easily do that. So now I'm gonna read the manual and see how I can use this device and get back to you. But till then, I need to tell you that why a water flosser is very much important. Now if you really see that we have been a little lazy in flossing, isn't it? And flossing every day is really tough. It is a bit technique sensitive also. If you're doing it, great, you should, and you must continue doing it. Now it is mainly for the very much useful for the people who are about 30 to 35 years of age, where flossing is adapting to this new flossing technique is really difficult. So this water flosser is also called as an oral irrigator, and it will help you to clean all those food that is stuck in between your teeth. And the best news that your floss cannot really go between or below the caps. This jet is throwing out water with a certain amount of pressure, which is studied obviously. So that is going to clean everything which is lodged between and under your caps and fillings also. So it is very good thing that if you're having too many caps and fillings, or if you're having periodontal diseases like bleeding gums, red swollen gums, loose teeth, then also this water flosser is very much recommended. Then as I read that they provide with special orthodontic tips, that is they can be used for cleaning your braces and brackets. Now cleaning with an interdental brush or a flosser sometimes becomes difficult. This water flosser is going to be very convenient and easy. Just use it in your mouth, move it around for 2 minutes and you are done with good 100% cleaning. Also, there is another use which, like now in the advanced technology, we have implants coming up and many of us are opting for this implants. The implants maintenance is very much important, as I've always been saying. Water flossers, the best way to maintain an implant, because there is a cap and below it there is an implant. There are a lot of chances that you have gum recessions below your implant. Water flossers provide you with the best cleaning there. So the water flossers, they are very much convenient and easy to use. According to the studies, almost 75% more than your traditional flossing or use of interdental brush, this water flossers work better. Use it with a mouthwash, then a mouthwash rinse is also done along with it. Now in the age-old people, what happens usually is they eat a lot of food. Even when they are brushing twice, there are more chances of getting cavities. So when they get a lot of cavities is because the whole day they are munching on something, they're eating on something, and all that gets lodged in between their teeth. Why only in age-old people I'm speaking? Because as the age increases, there are chances the gap between your teeth also increases. Water flossers can be used after every meal, like after breakfast, lunch and dinner. And they can provide you with a better cleaning and avoid the lodgement of food, and hence avoid the problem of caries or cavities. So next time I would suggest that if you're planning to gift something to your mom, dad on their anniversaries or birthdays, water flosser is the best choice. Make sure that you are using it, and if you have been using it, mention it in the comment section below that how was your experience. If you're loving all the videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Till then, love to you all. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay over fit. Thank you.